Well, today is Saturday and I got it off work. I work tomorrow, which is Sunday, so you can't win all the battles. But I figured with my day off, and now the fact is I sold most of my bumpers down in New York, I'm running out of bumpers. But I'm gonna go to the scrapyard today and try to get some good rebars. What I'm after is caravans, 2006 to 2008. I'm also after some Crown Vics 98 to 2002, and of course, you guys all know me, I'm also after some Mazda 3 bumpers. I don't know what it is about these Mazda 3 bumpers, but they're very easy to come by, and I think they hold up fantastic. Some bumpers that were shown to me from other people, I don't think I'm going to really find today. But we'll take a look. I also want to do a little bit of exploring and take a look at some of the smashed up cars here and maybe see what I think they might be in the Derby future or how they might hold up. But I don't know. I've been struggling for content, so by doing this maybe I can get a couple extra videos for you guys. Just because of how much I've been working in the home rentals. By the way, the home rentals are just about done. I cut all the trim last night, and hopefully tomorrow night and tonight, after the wife is done work tonight and after I'm done work tomorrow, we can get the trim painted and get the trim on, and then we're pretty much done. Just a little bit more trim, windows, and then ceiling trim. But other than that, yeah. But a lot of you guys may not know this, but I bought a new truck. Well, it's not really a new truck, but I bought a truck. I bought a 2009 Duramax diesel, and the reason why I'm driving it is because my Dodge is in the shop because it has to go in every year for safety. Ontario rules because how heavy it is. But anyway, so my truck's in for safety, and my van is a hunk of junk. So I bought this at an auction. It's not too bad. Believe it or not, I actually think it's just as good as fuel on it as my Mazda 3. It's got 250,000 K on it, so I think that's about 160,000 miles. Bare bones truck, wind up windows. It is ugly, but she's diesel, she runs great, she does 140 no problem, kilometers an hour, and I'm driving it everywhere. I'm driving it to work, driving it everywhere. So, like I said, we're just on our way to the scrapyard. Oh, the one thing it doesn't have is a radio, so I have a Bluetooth speaker, and I just have it hooked up to my phone. But, alright, well, let's go to the scrapyard and see what we can do. So here we are at the scrapyard again, and we're looking for bumpers and stuff like that. So here we have a Dodge Caravan. Now this one here is not stone go, but it looks like it has the right bumper. So the rule is here, if it has a damaged bumper cover, I can cut it off. So this one here had a damaged bumper cover right here, so I cut it off. Now these ones here are pretty simple to remove. It's just a couple bolts down inside of here, and it comes off and very quickly. I'm actually just going to do it here now. But by the way, when I was coming back from the swap meet, I actually bought some new tools. I bought a super sawzall, and I came with a 12 amp battery. I'm actually pretty happy about this saw. Last time I came here, I actually borrowed one from my company, and I just wanted my own. But no, I'm happy about the Sawzall. I think it works great. Goes through batteries pretty bad. When I say goes through batteries, like it'll kill a battery in 20 minutes if it's not the proper 1/4. She ain't 14. Simple, we got the bumper off. Now this one ain't the cleanest, but you know what? It's gonna serve its purpose. So I'm gonna toss it onto my little buggy, and we'll be on our way to the next item. Ugh. So a lot of you guys are asking me why I say stow and go, and this is the reason. The older ones that don't have stow and go have a bumper that looks like this. And I don't think this bumper is nearly as good as the bumper I've already got. So here's the difference. This one here, compared to this one, I think that one's much better. But it kind of limits the years I can get. The older ones have that style, so let's keep looking, see what I can find. A lot of you guys ask me what fuel pumps I use, and I can never really give a straight answer. Right here at this scrapyard, they cut all the gas tanks out, they put the cars up on these, cut all the straps, drop the gas tanks. And then what I do is I come and take the pumps. So this one right here I would not take, that one I would not really take. I take ones that are easy to tech screw into another one. What I mean by this is, let's see if I can find one. You know what, it doesn't look to be, oh, here's one. This is a high pressure tank, I can tell by the fittings. And you see how it has the 6 bolts? What I would do is I would just remove this pump. Remove this pump. I tested on a battery before I left. But then when I cut my hole in my boat tank, I just use these 6 and the piece of rubber behind it to mount it. So there's one here, and there's one over there. So if I wanted to, I could get 2 fuel pumps for free, and they, not free, but 2 fuel pumps and mounting brackets, and they charge me so little because legitimately they can't do anything with these gas tanks. They drill holes in them, drop them out, they're done. So that is how I get my fuel pumps for my demolition derby cars. What PSI that is, I don't know. What is that out of? I'm really not sure. But that will run a Toyota Camry, I can tell you that. Overall, that's not super bad. I got 4 Mazda 3 bumpers and 2 Caravan rear bumpers. But I'm not done my day yet. I found 2 more bumpers on Kijiji that I can go get about 10-20 minutes away from here. But here's the problem. I gotta stop at the bank and get more cash, but they had Buick Skylark bumpers here, and I really liked them, but they wanted a little bit too much for me and told me I couldn't sawzall them off. So they basically asked double what they were worth, and for what I paid for a 75 Cordova bumper last year compared to what they're asking for these 83 Skylark bumpers, it's not even comparable. So I said, you know what, I don't need the Skylarks. But let's go get the rest of the bumpers I bought today. They're not fantastic bumpers, but they're allowed to be ran up here, which is 80s and newer. So let's go get them. So overall today was not too bad. I got 4 Mazda 3 bumpers, the 2 Caravans, this big one from work, and then I just picked up 2 of these ones. These are nothing too extravagant, but you know what? They fit my rules, which is 80s and newer. These are off a Buick Regal, I believe. But all these are 80s and newer. So, looks like I got myself a good little run today. A nice 8 bumpers. 8 bumpers total, not including that sketchy home-built one. Look at that thing. What am I going to do with that? I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll have to see what I do with that, to be honest. But thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll have some more videos up this week. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded daily, so hopefully I can start uploading daily again for a bit. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. But wait, I figured I'd let you guys in on this. Look at our kitchen. It is looking great. We have the center island in. We got some stools. Cassandra bought a hall tree to hang our coats on. I got our 75-inch TV all set up. I got a little fireplace there. We haven't finished though. That's the wife's cat. Still got the trim to do. We got the trim on the ceilings to do. Trim around the bulkhead. I remember a lot of you guys were asking about to see this bulkhead when it's done. So here you go. What do you guys think? You like it? I'm just happy to say that this is almost done, and soon I'll be back out in the garage working on Camrys, getting content for you guys. The wife's going through a whole pineapple craze right now, so there's pineapples everywhere. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. I think that's a pineapple. Maybe a pineapple over here. Oh well. Blinds to go up soon, trim to go on. lots of trim left to do. But it's all coming together. We got all the floors done and everything. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.